Hey guys, hope you are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. This video is about my experience in Dharavi. So I started traveling from Chembur in local train. Local trains are amazing. It's very economical and must travel. So other halfway I took a cab to reach Mahim Junction. So it starts from Mahim Junction. I booked a walking tour with Mumbai Dream Tours. Yay, I reached Mahim Junction and from here my walking tour started. So this is the starting point from Dharavi and we entered Dharavi. Hello! So Dharavi is in Mumbai and it is considered to be one of the Asia's largest slums. And Dharavi has an area of just over 2.1 square kilometers and a population of 10 lakhs. So Dharavi is one of the most densely populated areas in the world. Here inside Dharavi, it's always better to take a tour guide, so he'll be taking you everywhere and explain everything in detail, or else you'll be lost.
And for utensils, not for bathing, because it is harmful product, outdated product. So this soap is not used for bathing, only for cleaning of utensils and cleaning.
The region has an estimated of 5,000 businesses and 15,000 single room factories. And Dharavi exports goods like leather products, jewelry, various accessories and textiles around the world.
Themselves and
Yes, they enjoy working with them.
what most of people
There is a electronic meters are there. We'll see barber shops are there. They are all. Yes.
Hi, what's your name? Oh.
My name is Srishti Best.
Srishti, what is it is in the residential area, and mostly leather businesses are done by. So it used to be pronounced wrong. They used to say like go to Dharavi for fishing. So the wrong pronunciation came out with the name as Dharavi. Dhara means flowing of water in Hindi. So they used to pronounce wrong. Let's go to Dharavi. Also one more thing.
such beautiful diyas. And that's it about Dharavi and life inside Dharavi. Thank you so much, bro, for showing me and Dharavi very beautifully.